Computers have become essential companions in our everyday life. They are found everywhere. We use them to solve demanding tasks, to entertain ourselves, to communicate, create, play, learn. Their behavior has changed as well. They respond to voice commands. They know where we are, what we like, they adapt, offer better user experiences. Being aware of the world in which they are used has been changing our perception of computing. The internet has played a significant role in this paradigm shift, and yet context awareness has found little to no prominence in web applications. However, incorporating context awareness into web applications could lead to richer experiences through better usability and better accessibility. In web applications, presentation of content can be tailored to a specific range of output devices without having to change the content itself by utilizing CSS media queries. Although when defining media queries, most aspects taken into account happen to be related to the display. Context queries are comprised of a set of context-related features that aim to extend the adaptation capabilities of CSS media queries, thus allowing web authors to incorporate context awareness into their design process and their implementations. The context features borrow the syntax of the media queries and should be seen as a superset thereof. A polyfill has been developed to demonstrate the feasibility of the context queries. Analogous to media queries, CSS styles to specific context-related situations can be defined using the @context rule or the context attribute. In this example, I am using the battery and charging battery features to show the battery level of my device. These queries set the width of the inner element representing the actual battery level to its respective percentage. The battery level goes here below 90%, hence we see an actual adaptation. If I plug in the device into power supply, the color changes as defined in this query here, and the animation kicks in, depending on the current level. In this example, I am using a simple query to determine if the environment's light level is below 10 lux with the light intensity feature, which is the case in the room I am in. If I move towards a light source or into a brighter room, it falls back to the default styles. In the last example, I used the time feature to set blue light filter between 9 PM and 7 AM. If the condition is met, an SVG filter should be applied to the image element and background and font colors should change as well, like this.